In this video, we are going to see how we can change or configure the proxy settings for Microsoft Edge. And basically, this proxy settings is the same for Microsoft Windows. So this means whatever changes you make in the proxy settings of Microsoft Windows, it will automatically apply to the browsers, whether you are using Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or whatever. So what we want to do is right here in the start menu, proxy, and click on that proxy settings. From here, if you want to, let's say, use a manual proxy server, we click on setup. And what you do is basically toggle that on. You enter the proxy IP address and the port, and you enter all the relevant details, whatever you want to add here. And after that, when you hit save, it will automatically be applied for the proxy settings of the Microsoft Edge browser as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.